Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Hub, I will be showing you how to send email in Yahoo. So for that, open the Yahoo application first and then you need to get logged in into the account with correct account credential. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the pencil icon on the top corner, that is in between the Y plus icon and the search icon. You need to tap that pencil icon to compose a new mail in Yahoo. Tap that. It will direct you to this new piece of creating a mail. Now here you need to provide the to, that is the recipient email address to whom you want to send this mail to. Type in over here. And then below you type in the CC, B and BCC if you need to use this. In this CC field, you need to enter the mail addresses of the recipient who will receive a copy of this email. So you can type in the CC over here, whereas BCC is used when you send a copy of an email to another person without the primary email recipient knowing you've done so. That is, BCC person will not be able to recognize or know that you have sent the copy to the another person. If you want to use this option of CC and BC, you can do it so, and then below you need to type in the subject. Then below you need to type in the or compose the mail. Once all it's done, you tap on send, then it will send the email to the recipient email address. So this is how you can send email in Yahoo. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.